The search for the next generation of Idoma stars is officially underway, as the Idoma Talent Hunt commenced with auditions, drawing gifted young men and women from across the Idoma nation. The initiative, organized by the Idoma Centenary Plus Committee, is designed to discover, nurture, and promote the rich creative talents of Idoma youths while preserving the people's cultural heritage and encouraging youth empowerment. The audition venue came alive with excitement as contestants showcased their ability in singing, dancing, acting, comedy, spoken word, and other creative performances, all hoping to secure a place in the next stage of the competition. For many of the participants, the talent hunt is more than a contest. It is a rare opportunity to be discovered, pursue their dreams, and proudly represent the Idoma.
The like blessing, Doctor, please. And I'm yet to actually have a feel of what the Doma people can do. As young people, we have so much creativity, so much strength within us. And today, the Doma Nation had deemed it necessary to assemble creative young minds to show the world what they have. So, from those events today, I am actually optimistic to see the best of the Idoma people, the best. We have a lot of good stuff being exported to the world, and today we want to see.
This one, I know there's still another one happening in December, so they can make it to December and next year. So it's going to be, just look out on the pages and you get more information about it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
The Idoma nation on a bigger stage. Speaking with MPTV, several contestants expressed appreciation to the organizers for creating a platform that allows hidden talents to shine, describing the initiative as a life-changing opportunity.
Yeah, my name is Julius John. I'm from Benue State, from Orokamu, Obadibo local government. Um, and I believe I'm going to, emerge as a winner by God's grace. Bless them. They have done a great job. They have done a great job. And this is a way to showcase the artists, particularly the Doma nations. I pray that God will increase them, empower them, so that they will do more than this and, impart more life.
My name is Gideon Ojepa. I came here for the Idoma Talent Hunt, which is basically music and drama. So many fun is going to, lift a lot of people, especially Idoma. And it's a thing that I must say, may the Lord bless them. And God should, create more rooms for them to push this vision, to the better level. And may the Lord bless them, as I say.
My name is Moses Ben, and from Benue State, Ojo local government, Igede by tribe. I'm part of the contestants. I'm here to do music. That's what I love to do, and we trust God to showcase our gifts here by the special grace of God. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, all the organizers, for giving us a platform to express our gifts and showcase our talents. It's very rare to have this opportunity, but I want to say thank you to you. God bless you. The Lord enrich you in Jesus' name.
Okay, so my name is Omale Music, and I serve God for a living. My expectations are high, they are quite high. I know the Idoma Nation is a blessed people, and as a proud son of the Idoma Nation, I came here with hopes, with high hopes. I'm very happy about the organizers of this competition, and I want to believe that we'll be having good results. People will get visibility, our voices will be heard, and I came here to win actually.
It's Ogoro Godwin Ogbaji from Utonko. That's Amanfia.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm going to be singing. So I'm on the contestant, and then I'll be singing. So basically, singing.
And you play your guitar. Why sing?
I might not be using the guitar just for rehearsal sake. That's why I'm using it.
How many albums?
Yeah, I do. I do have one. Yes, I do. I do have one. This is a great opportunity to spot out people with good talent, and then there are a good number of people out there who are just looking for this opportunity to express what God has actually given them. So I feel, not just feel, I'm grateful for the fact that they organize something like this, because it gives some of us the opportunity to let our talent out, and then people get to be blessed by it. So it's not just about the money, but then people get to be blessed by what you have.
Good afternoon. My name is Gilbert Enyi, and I'm a singer. So I'll be contesting as a singer. And I want to say a very big thank you to the sponsor. And it's a big platform whereby those who are talented can showcase their gift, and they have the opportunity to explore and do better in whatever thing they're doing. And this is just the beginning, because we know there are better um, plans they have for us, which we know. And we are saying a very big thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, my name is Rebecca Onimowo Ogabo, and I'm one of the contestants for this talent hunt, Idoma's Talent Hunt.
Okay,
A big thank you to the organizers of this event. I mean, this is the first of its kind, and we are really excited that something like this is coming from our own heritage, our home. So I say shout out to the organizers of this event. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
My name is Ada Isaac Oche.
You are from which local?
I'm from Apa, local government of Benue State. I'm one of the contestants, and I'm a singer, and I'm also an instrumentalist. So I'm just here to showcase the little I have. Well, thank you very much for creating such a platform for for people like us to showcase our talent and show our real self. Because for me, music is something that I enjoy and I love so much, and I want to also show my talents to the world at large.
My name is David Samson Okoliko, and I'm here for the Idoma God's Talent. The moment, I'm here to participate, and I'm here to 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 see where to take me to and all of that. And I'm here to give my best, and I don't know the future, but let God help us. Thank you very much for coming up with something big and brave and brilliant like this to help the younger generations, to help we the generations, because we need platforms and chance like this to actually help us sell ourselves, to speak out for ourselves, to help ourselves, to believe that yes, we can make it through entertainment. In true entertainment, generally, I don't want to specify on the part I do. I just want to say thank you for bringing up this, and I pray this grows to be bigger and better, so there can be more seasons to help other generations to come.
Yeah, I'm Joby by name. That's my stage name, and I'm based in Abuja.
You are from which local government?
I'm from Okpoko local government, Opialu. That's my village. I came to perform for Idoma Talent Hunt, and I'm hoping to win.
I'm on Agent B, known by the stage name Uncle Bright.
Okay.
Spoken word artist. I'm a word artist, so that was what I auditioned for.
Okay. So, what will you be expecting today at the end of it?
Okay, I'm saying a big thank you to the organizers of this event for giving us a platform where we can be seen and heard to showcase our talent. Is a massive one, a wonderful one for me. So I appreciate them, and I say thank you to all of them.
My name is Emmanuel Igba.
Okay.
This is a very big one. This is a very big opportunity for the Idoma nation, for the Idoma people. There are talents out there in the streets that doesn't have platform like this to express it. So we would have had better people more than Davido and those big artists, but lack of platform. So I think this is a great opportunity, and I hope today we'll come out with fly colors and with the best of us.
My name is Deborah Ojofu. I'm from Benue State, Otupo local government, Akoya.
Oh. All right. So, what are your expectations? I understand you have gone in.
I've gone in and I'm expecting to win. As a first Akoya to be on this show, I'm expecting to win, and I'm going to win by God's grace.
Okay.
Yeah.
What will you say to the organizer of this event?
Oh, I really appreciate Idoma Talent Hunt. Like, it's a great opportunity to be in their midst today, and I'm not taking that opportunity for granted. I appreciate them. Thank you.
So,
Idoma Hunt Talent Show, and Mbalawi Yeni Benje Yala win. Yeah.
I like mine. No, I like you. Godwin Eko Echo Ada, aka Godwin Echoes.
comedy.
Yeah. No, I sing. Well, I want to say big thank you for giving us the opportunity to come out and show what we have in us. We are grateful and are looking forward to more of this. I see a lot of Idoma stars rising after this. A lot of us. Like we have a lot of talent in Idoma, but we don't get platform. So
Once again, I say
You have
thank
been
you.
provided a platform
Yeah,
already. So
That's what I'm
what are
saying.
your own
Thank you.
expectations? Do you think you'll be able to sketch through?
Right here. I came to win, to fly, to prosper, to survive. I
The
came.
initiative organized by the Idoma Centenary Plus Committee is designed to discover, nurture, and promote the rich creative talents of Idoma youths while preserving the people's cultural heritage and encouraging youth empowerment. The audition venue came alive with excitement as contestants showcased their ability in singing, dancing, acting, comedy, spoken word, and other creative performances, all hoping to secure a place in the next stage of the competition. For many of the participants, the talent hunt is more than a contest. It is a rare opportunity to be discovered, pursue their dreams, and proudly represent the Idoma nation on a bigger stage. Speaking with MPTV, several contestants expressed appreciation to the organizers for creating a platform that allows hidden talents to shine, describing the initiative as a life-changing opportunity. Organizers say the competition is committed to identifying and developing exceptional talents capable of becoming positive ambassadors of the Idoma people while inspiring other young people to pursue excellence through creativity. As the audition process continues, successful contestants will advance to subsequent rounds of the competition, leading to a grand finale where outstanding performers will be crowned and rewarded for their exceptional talent. The Idoma Talent Hunt is expected to become a major platform for celebrating creativity, inspiring young people, and unveiling the stars of tomorrow. In Abuja, Kingsley Iji, MPTV News.